Hey guys, how to rejoin WhatsApp group after you left. So if you're an admin, you're gonna go ahead to WhatsApp, right? And you're gonna open up the group, right, that you left. And then what you're gonna do, click the name of that group because you're gonna still have the chat like in the interface and you're gonna be able to access it. And then scroll a little bit down, but you won't be able to message anyone. And you have two options, right, as an admin. First, you need to contact or you contact with someone inside that group, right? And tell them, hey, I want to go back. Please, just add me back, right? Or I mistakenly got out of the group and now I want to rejoin, right? The second option, you could just go ahead and click group invite or invite via link or group link, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and copy the link or share the QR code or take a screenshot of the QR code, and then you're gonna be able to rejoin that group as an admin. All right. Please be advised that this isn't gonna work with anyone, right? So if you're a group member only, you're gonna contact someone inside that group and tell them, hey, I want to rejoin that group, right? I just got out. But if you're an admin, you're going to be able to pull that off, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.